What's up, guys? This is Phillyswords RC. Today we got another Hosim, the M33 Mojarco 6S. This particular car is a short course truck. M33, I'm sure you heard of it before. If you didn't, I'm the first to tell you about it. Here you go. So it's a 4-wheel drive, brushless motor. Of course, if it's 6S. But we're gonna get into the specs on the box, and then we're gonna get into the box, what comes in the box, and everything else. But I'll put the full specs in the description below. All right, now we got a 30 kilogram digital torque servo, so this is a good servo. 5-channel receiver, F4274 brushless motor. I had the specs on it, but this is 130 amp ESC or 150 amp ESC, I'm not sure, but we're gonna dig into the box to find out. With metal hydraulic shocks, should be oil filled. It's all metal shocks. And see what comes in the box. And see that right there? Age is 14 on up. That's how you know it's a hobby grade vehicle. But this car, I've been waiting. I wanted this one because, you know, I love my short course trucks, and I wanted to definitely grab this one. So I'm gonna dig into it, show you what's in the box now, the box art, showing you the box art, nice quality box. But we're gonna see what's inside the box, so stay tuned. So, comes with this manual here, show you exploded view on the car, and just to give you the heads up, all the parts are available for this vehicle. Also comes with this warranty card, and this is also the guideline card. Also comes with these shocks. This is a bag full of wheel nuts. I got a wrench in there, some body pins, some pins for the tires. You got a speed pinion. I think this is like a 16 tooth pinion. Also comes with this bag of this a wheel remover, lug remover, 2 chargers. Also comes with this bag. You got some stuff in here. I can't really tell how it feels, but it feels like a brush, the brush they usually give you. Nice little bag. And I think these are pins, but I'm not sure. But you get this. They give you a lot of extra. Also give you these extra battery straps, 3 of them. Also comes with these 2 3S 5000 milliamp 30C batteries. And the Hosim radio, which is not bad. This radio is not bad at all. But I heard they had a previous model that had a different style radio, but this one is not bad. I never had any problems with this radio, no range problems. Nice responsive. So this is the radio, 2.4 gigahertz. Now next is the car. Boom.
Damn, son,
yo, this thing is nice. Mojarco, powerful Mojarco.
Perfect.
The thing about this, you got to add the stickers. You got to add the stickers, and you have to be careful with these stickers because I had a hard time with these stickers. Once they touch that body, you know how you put a sticker on and touch the body, you take it off and peel it off. Once this touch the body, it's almost a wrap. But yeah, this thing looks pretty. This looks good, man. This does look good.
Here we go.
As usual, we're going to start on the outside of the car. We're going to start with the body. This is a pretty good looking body. You have a light bar in the front, and you have light bar in the back here. Red LED light in the back, white LED in the front. You got these heavy duty roof skids on here. plastic doesn't feel bad. I had to add the windshield to it because it didn't have one, but I wanted to add a windshield. So I added a windshield to it. Add a couple of extra stickers to it to give it a little different look. The tires, the compound tires, this is real soft. The suspension is a little soft in the back, maybe a little too soft. Got tethered body pins, easy to take off. And let's see the inside of the body. And go the inside of the body, you got that little cage right there. So if you make roof impacts, and you also got that thing on top of there to help. They go the light bar. This is real clean, very clean. Yeah, this body's not bad looking, man. Mojarco. I just can't wait to run it. You just don't understand. And here go the inside of the car. Nice quality, man. This is a nice quality car, but I'm gonna give you a better view. Here go inside the car. See how that's a 2000 kV motor, 130 amp ESC. You got your receiver right there. I don't really like it open like that, just in case you ride in water. I don't know if this is waterproof, but everything will be in the description below. There go the servo, the 35 kg servo. It's a Hosim brand. I don't know if it's rebranded. You got a metal steering arm. You got adjustable steering in the front. Now you got these big old aluminum shocks, all metal threaded shocks, adjustable threaded. So you know this big old hefty bumper right here in the back here, nice and thick. Also have sway bars. Got bracing all around. These shock towers, plastic, but it's flexible, good quality shock tires. Now in the middle here, the center diff is a metal casing. You also have plastic bracing all in the inside of there. Pretty good, pretty thick bracing. I mean, I can't see you doing anything. And in the front, we have the same thing. We got this hard plastic bumper right here. Look like it's good quality still. Sway bars in the front. Sounds pretty good right there. What else we got in here? These arms, pretty standard arms. Pretty standard arms. You know, they look like they flex a little bit. They have a little flex to them underneath the chassis. So as you see, this is an all plastic chassis. They got a little carbon fiber look in there. You got these metal bottom right here attached to the bumpers and skids. You got some air for your spur gear right there. It's not bad. Underneath you can see the tie rods, metal adjustable tie rods. Nice thick arms on the bottom, arms thicker on the bottom than the top, which is smart. And these tie rods, and thing about the shocks is completely metal. This part not plastic, the bottom part not plastic. That's a good thing. And they got hex hardware. This is a winner in my book, all around already. It's got hex hardware. You can't beat that. Yeah, this thing is nice, man. Nice for the price. Nice for the price. So what I'm seeing, gotta stiffen up that back some. That back is too loose. And that's how you see the motor mount, like how they got that. They put a brace in the back of it just in case you jump. It won't be straining on the drive shaft or the spur gear. That's smart to put that back there. Most companies just have something hold this. Most time it work out, but you would like a nice little bracing in the back. Yeah, they got a drain plug on the center diff there, so you can get the air out. Metal all around, metal center drive shaft, rear thick, pretty thick shaft. You got CVDs in the front. Let y'all see that if you can get up in there. I don't know if it's focused. You can't see it, but it's CVDs in the front, man. It's CVDs. Trust. Okay, there we go. CVDs in the front, and in the rear we have dog bones in the rear. Yeah, this thing is nice quality. Hex hardware. This is a winner right here. Hosim is coming into the big scale cars. from what I'm seeing, depends on how this thing runs, this thing gonna be off the charts. As you see, suspension is not bad. Just a little too soft in the front. I mean the back, too soft. The front ain't bad. Back just drooped a little bit. You're gonna, like, if you jump, you're gonna definitely hit that right there. Y'all know I'm a jump. Yeah, we have a chassis brace from shock tower to shock tower, one piece. You got, this is the you can connect the lights to this part right here to the receiver, and thing is nice, man. I'm gonna tell you the price of this car. I'm gonna put down the price of this car at the making of this video to show you this is the price point of this car. I'm gonna show you at the bottom here what the price of the car is right here. Yeah, Hosim really did their thing to this car, man. It's starting to come up a whole lot. These cars are good quality. This one right here, I got high hopes for this one because it is 100% hobby grade. I mean, all the cars are hobby grade, but the thing they did with this one, they made it so tough at the price point of this car. It's so tough to beat it. You get all of that stuff included. You get 2 3S batteries. You get extra lug nuts, extra parts all around. You get extra everything, man. You cannot beat that price. You can't beat that price point for all of that. And not to mention now, they got parts for it. So if you break something, you can get the parts. I got the link in the description below. So if you buy off of that link, it helps out my channel a lot because I need all the help I can get. As I told you in past videos, I'm debating: do I want to go straight to the speed gear or do I want to test it on the factory gear? I mean the gear they got inside of here. They also give you a jumper just in case you want to run one 6S battery. Which let's get into the battery tray. Let's look at the battery tray real quick. Here go the battery tray right here. You see how they got this nice cushion at the bottom. So they ain't cushion. Oh, that's just the straps looking all shiny. But they give you 4 straps for this. 4 straps. I'm gonna try some battery options and see how that works. But yeah, here go the connectors. What is these? I don't know if I want to change these out or not. What is these? IC3s or 4s, something like that. They give you, so this will fit right in there, but they're a little skinny. Not the standard size battery, a little skinny battery. But I'm gonna try some other batteries, then I'm gonna put on the floor and compare it to my Mojave, Stenton, and Max Slash. So we got a couple battery options. My favorite battery, my CNHLs. Let's try to throw those in there, see if they fit, which I don't think it is. And that's not gonna fit right. CNHLs will fit. And no again. So we're gonna try this Turnigy Bolt battery, which it should fit because it's tall but not so. Yeah, that fits fine. So that battery fits. So your battery options are limited. They are limited. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna pull out the Mojave 4S. Let you see the size difference. That's next to the Mojave 4S. As you see, it's a little bit wider. And here's the size difference. Almost the same size. Sits out a little, not much, but a little bigger, but it's definitely wider. Now this is the 6S Mojave. Now as you see, they're about the same in width or length. The Mojave 6S is a little longer. Let's check out the Max Slash, see how that looks. And this is next to the Max Slash, they're about even. Got different tires on the Max Slash, so you can see the tires a little bigger, a lot bigger. As you can see, about the same width and length. This is a 1/8. This is a large 1/8 scale too. It's a nice size. It's basically a nice size. Yeah, I'm gonna have me a nice little throwdown. I'm gonna show you a 10 scale car. 10 scale short course. And here go a 10 scale. This is my Sentin. This Sentin is a beast though, but this is next to the Sentin. As you can see, way longer, way wider. And here we go next to a super Bahare. I know this is a trophy truck, but it's the same kind of scale basically. So I know this is a trophy truck. It's different. You know, somebody got on me about that. It's not a short course. It's a trophy truck. But this is the size comparison to that. Huge. This thing is a monster though. Yeah, but I'm not gonna run it in this video because the weather is cold outside. Actually, I don't care about being cold outside. I'm just not gonna run it in this video. Running video coming soon. The next video I put out is gonna be a running video of this car. Yeah, but before I run this, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna adjust the shocks and I'm gonna adjust the steering just so I can get the full potential of the car without any major adjustment, just minor shocks and steering servo saver. But I hope you enjoyed that video. More definitely coming soon, so hit that like button, notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'm out.